Welcome to part 2 of our lesson in wildlife conservation. Today, we're reviewing some man-made threats our wildlife faces. Let's take a look at our friends the manatees. The number one cause of human-related death are boat collisions. Because these animals are usually in high traffic areas, they are often a victim to a boat strike. But we can take steps in protecting this species. The Marine Mammal Protection Act makes it illegal to feed manatees to help prevent them from approaching boats. Another example of a man-made threat is found in wildlife displacement. As the human population continues to grow in such a rapid rate, we're using more resources. This can be seen when plants and animals are being displaced when new lands are being developed. But many organizations are fighting to help protect our wildlife. National parks help protect our lands, and the Endangered Species Act protect our species, including our manatee friends. If you're interested in learning more about conservation, follow National STEM Honor Society and follow along our conservation series.